I drive better than most men. I would say that you're saying that because you're very insecure. Then I became a model and actor. They started calling me Kitu. It's not a big mystery of the universe.
সম্প্রতি কলকাতায় এসেছিলেন বলিউড অভিনেত্রী কিটু গিডবানি। এক মাল্টিপ্লেক্সে বসে আড্ডা জমালেন কিটু। স্পষ্টবক্তা অভিনেত্রীর আক্ষেপের কথাও শুনল এই সময় অনলাইন। কৌশল্যা থেকে কিটু হলেন কেন?
For that you will have to ask my parents, because when I was small I had no choice. They started calling me Kitu.
And that is the reason.
So I have an identity crisis. Am I Kaushalya or Kitu?
Which is your favorite?
Kitu.
কলকাতা আপনার কেমন লাগে?
I like it if I don't have to work.
বাঙালি বন্ধু আছে?
Yeah, I don't want to tell you their names.
90-এর হিন্দি সিরিয়ালের মুখ আপনি। বর্তমানের সিরিয়ালের কন্টেন্ট দেখে কি মনে হয়?
TV serials I don't like. If you're talking about TV serials, the Saas Bahu soaps, of course I don't like. But I think to compensate for that, now we have streaming platforms, and that is the saving grace of the industry. And because now we can watch different kinds of content with different themes and a multitude of actors. So I think to compensate for the bad state of daily soaps on TV, cable TV, we have streaming platforms.
শক্তিমান ছেড়ে বেরিয়ে আসেন কেন?
Personal reasons. No big deal. It's not a big mystery of the universe.
তা নিয়ে কোনো আক্ষেপ?
A little bit, but I've done so much work after that.
দীপা মেহতার অর্থের মতো ছবিতে কাজ করেছেন। সিনেমায় আপনাকে এত কম দেখা গেল কেন?
Because people don't offer me films. You have to ask them.
ম্যাডাম ড্রাইভারে কাজ করার জন্য রাজি হলেন কেন?
Well, the moment I met Indrajit Nattoji, and he gave me the script and I read it. It was a lovely script, and also the character that I play is very different from my own character. And for any actor, that's a challenge, and it makes you hungry to work in the role because you're playing at something completely different. You're not playing the same character over and over again. So I love the writing, and I love the fact that I play a different kind of woman, not an urban woman, an older woman, a softer woman, somebody who's not so confident. And it was a challenge to see if I can do something like that.
ছবিতে আপনার অভিনীত চরিত্রটি অনেক বেশি বয়সে গাড়ি চালানো শিখছে। বাস্তবেও কি তাই?
No, absolutely. That's why I'm saying I'm playing a character who's completely different from me.
এই বয়সে এসে আর কি কি নতুন বিষয় জানতে চান কিংবা শিখতে চান?
Oh my God, 1,000 things. I want to do more mountaineering. I want to become a mountaineer, which I will never be able to do. I want to learn to scuba dive. I want to learn about Indian philosophy, which I'm learning. And there are 100 things I want to do in life. How can you stop learning things? It's not possible. I'm an eternal student.
মহিলা ড্রাইভারদের অনেক সময় রাস্তায় টন্টিং এর শিকার হতে হয়। আপনারও এমন অভিজ্ঞতা হয়েছে নাকি?
Never. I drive better than most men. I would say that you're saying that because you're very insecure.
বিজনেস ম্যানেজমেন্টে অনার্স করে ফ্রেঞ্চে মাস্টার্স করেছিলেন কেন?
Then I became a model and actor. I guess my French came in very handy because I did French plays and French films. So that's fine. And plus, of course, I loved learning about French culture and art and history. So that was value for money. But business management was a waste of time. I should never have gone to college. I should have started working in theatre immediately after school.
মন থেকে কি আপনি ফ্রেঞ্চ?
I was. Now I'm an Indian. I don't know, I matured. I realized our country is so fantastic and our culture is so fantastic. Now I'm a proud Bharatiya.
জুনুনে টম অল্টারের সঙ্গে বেথ সিং ছিল আপনার। তখন ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে ইন্টিমেসি ডিরেক্টরের কোনো কনসেপ্টই ছিল না। আজকের অভিনেত্রীদের উদ্দেশ্যে ইন্টিমেসির ডুজ অ্যান্ড ডোন্টস প্রসঙ্গে কি মেসেজ দিতে চাইবেন?
Well, that's a tough question because, yeah, I guess having an intimacy director is useful because not even in a French film I had to do an intimate scene, and I guess sometimes it becomes awkward. So, intimacy director sounds too woke for me and too, being safe all the time. I'm not used to being safe, But I think it's important for actresses to have an intimacy director. I went through it a long time ago. I mean, I would say that don't do anything that you're uncomfortable with. Very important. Never let anyone take advantage of you on set. Very important.
ডাউনলোড করুন এই সময় অ্যাপ iOS ও অ্যান্ড্রয়েডের জন্য।